Hello friends, I am Mahesh Kumar Sarma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will be discuss very important topic of regulation and control of broadcasting. As the top of the hierarchy of control of the broadcasting media is the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which regulates the broadcasting through various rules and regulations. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting control through its sub-authorities for the effective mechanism to regulate broadcasting. Mechanism over it in the light of Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. Media is the most effective and important source of knowledge to the people. We called it as a fourth pillar of the democratic nation. Most instant and effective way of publication and distribution of news are TV channels, which nowadays overcome by competitive market in the field of media broadcasting. With the development of communication technology and public interest in large various TV channels emerged as the competitive business in Indian broadcasting media. Regulation is required as there is emergence of large number of competition so as the save from the unauthorized and unlawful use of media. The broadcasting develops as on of the fundamental right provided in Part 3rd VD Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. It provided the right of speech and expression, which directly reflect the right of publication and circulation of one's own views in the public with certain restrictions which are provided in the Article 19 subclause 2. Freedom of speech and expression broadly means opinion and own feeling expressed by words, mouth, writing, printing, picture, or any other mode of communication. It includes the expression one's idea through any communicable media or visual representation, which also called broadcasting. The freedom of propagation of idea as secured by freedom circulation. It's mean every citizen have right to broadcast his article, book, painting, and own views through various broadcasting media live like TV channels, FM radio, newspaper, magazine, mobile network. These right is also regulated by Supreme Court through its various decision. Also has extent of scope of freedom of speech. Broadcasting media must be under control to public. The primary purpose of all broadcasting is only for the public interest. Airways frequencies are the public property. Their use must be controlled and regulated by public authorities in public interest to prevent the invasion of this right. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting control through its sub-authorities for the effective mechanism to regulate broadcasting, in which there is Prasar Bharati for broadcasting and Censor Board to regulate motion picture in India. under which there are many organizations which control broadcasting media in regional levels. In recent development of control broadcaster from unauthorized and uncensored broadcasting is Broadcasting Content Complaint Council (BCC) under control of Indian Broadcasting Federation (IBF). This authority receives the complaints from the people against uncensored scenes on television network and punish those TV channels who violate